circle, triangle, square, star, oval, heart, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, crescent moon, cloud, arrow, semicircle, trapezium, parallelogram. Like, share, subscribe. Hi, guess what's in my hands? Yes, Play-Doh. My toys. Let's open.
Wow!
Let's play and learn. Red. Let's make a rainbow. Squish, squish, squish. Roll, roll, roll. Let's arrange. Orange. Yummy! Let's roll. Yellow. Looks cute. Let's add more colors. Light green. Dark green. Light blue. Dark blue. Purple. White. White. Bye-bye. Like, share, subscribe. Let's learn fruits and colors.
Red, sugar. Red.
Apple,
Pink.
Tomato.
strawberry,
Blue.
Blue.
blueberry, blue and purple. Blueberry, grapes. Subscribe. Let's learn colors with xylophone. Red, orange, yellow, purple, blue, light blue, green, Pink. Subscribe. Hi, guess this animal. Monkey. Correct. Monkey. Next. Penguin. Correct. Guess the animal. Cat? Yes. Cat. Correct. Next, guess this animal. Fish. That's right. Fish. Next, who is this? Guinea pig. Correct. Guinea pig. Next, guess this animal. Duck. Right. Duck. Next, guess the animal. Alligator. Alligator. Correct. Next, guess this animal. Bear. Bear. Guess this animal. Horse. Horse. Next. Cow. Cow. Correct. Guess the animal. Elephant. Elephant. Right? Guess this animal. Lion. Lion. Correct? Who is this? Dog. Dog. Like and subscribe. Let's learn vegetable with colors.
Indian.
Tomato.
Pink.
Pink.
Radish.
Blue.
Blue.
Blue potato. Blue and purple. Blue potato. Purple cabbage. Subscribe. Let's learn colors.
Red. Sugar. Indian.
Red.
Blue.
Blue. Blue.
Pink.
Pink.
Tomato.
ये देखो एंकर
Blue and purple.